Now, today topic is cancer. It is very important, interesting, and somewhat difficult to understand. So, just you pay the concentration. Right. Now, first of all, cancer. In this biology, right, a separate branch is there for cancer. That means a branch of biology which deals with the study of cancer is called as oncology, not oncology. Oncology. Study of cancer is called as oncology. Now come to the definition. What is cancer? Right. The uncontrolled proliferation immunity lo vachindi, menstrual cycle lo vachindi. What is the meaning of proliferation? Division, cell division. The uncontrolled cell division of cells, the uncontrolled proliferation of the cells that results from breakdown of regulatory mechanism which leads to the formation of tumor. Right. Generally 90% mark chesi definition. But marking somewhat it is difficult and dangerous. First to understand this one. Right. Who are uncontrolled cell division? Cells. The cells is undergoes uncontrolled proliferation. Okay. Then results when a cell is undergoes uncontrolled proliferation, that result in the formation of breakdown regulatory mechanism. Now see, a mechanism, regulatory mechanism, breakdown of regulatory mechanism. అంటే ఒక సెల్ లో regulatory mechanism breakdown కావడం వల్ల uncontrolled proliferation that leads to formation of tumor gadda. Right. ఇక్కడ సెల్స్ ఈ సెల్స్ లో బ్రేక్డౌన్ ఆఫ్ రెగ్యులేటరీ మెకానిజం అంటే ప్రతి సెల్ కు ఒక రెగ్యులేటరీ మెకానిజం రెగ్యులేషన్. I am under the regulation of my parents. I am under the regulation of head of the institution principal. అలాగే these cells, normal cells, they are always under the regulatory mechanism. If any normal cell under regulatory mechanism, ఒక నార్మల్ సెల్ రెగ్యులేటరీ మెకానిజం లో ఉంటే రైట్ డివిజన్ చూపిస్తుంది కానీ అన్కంట్రోల్డ్ డివిజన్ చూపిస్తుంది. See, proliferation or uncontrolled proliferation. The proliferation is somewhat different from uncontrolled proliferation. Right? I can enjoy, no doubt, enjoy, but controlling enjoy, uncontrolling enjoy, that kills your education. Enjoyment is also necessary, but education is also necessary. You are doing the responsibility in education. You are getting the good rank in education and also enjoy. That means you are under regulation. Right. Without uncontrolled education, only with uncontrolled education, uncontrolled enjoyment. The enjoyment uncontrolled only. If your enjoyment is uncontrolled, the education will be collapse. ఇక్కడ ఎంజాయ్మెంట్ కావాలా, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కావాలా, ఈ రెండు కావాలంటే నువ్వు కంట్రోల్లో ఉండాలి. రైట్. నువ్వు ఎంజాయ్మెంట్ అన్కంట్రోల్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎడ్యుకేషన్ రాదు. అలాగా మన బాడీలో నార్మల్ సెల్స్ ప్రతి సెల్ ఇట్ షోస్ ఎ రెగ్యులేటరీ మెకానిజం. Due to presence of regulatory mechanism, it is undergoes proliferation with limited or control, but uncontrolled proliferation over the cells. ఎప్పుడు breakdown regulatory mechanism. అంటే ఆ సెల్ లో రెగ్యులేటరీ మెకానిజం బ్రేక్ డౌన్. When the regulatory mechanism will be breakdown, right, the proliferation become uncontrolled. And the cell division is uncontrolled. 2 become 4, 4 become 8, 8 become 16, 16 become 32. Like this uncontrolled. Here if suppose now it is a neck portion. In this neck portion cells is there. Skin cells is there, bone cells is there, blood cells is there. Right. Different cells is there. All different cells. When they shows regulatory mechanism, they undergoes division but not uncontrolled. If the cells break down, its regulatory mechanism, they undergoes uncontrolled proliferation. Due to uncontrolled proliferation, the cells number is increases and form a tumor. గడ్డ ఉబ్బుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ అన్కంట్రోల్డ్ సెల్. మరి అన్కంట్రోల్డ్ సెల్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? ఆ సెల్స్ లోపల ఆ రెగ్యులేటరీ మెకానిజం బ్రేక్. డ్యూ టు రెగ్యులేటరీ బ్రేక్డౌన్ మెకానిజం, డ్యూ టు బ్రేక్డౌన్ ఆఫ్ రెగ్యులేటరీ మెకానిజం, ద సెల్స్ అండర్గోస్ uncontrolled proliferation. That results is formation of tumor. This is the cancer. Now before going to the cancer, just about now, you take a normal cell. The normal cell is converted into cancer cell. It is the one of the basic fundamental. I am healthy. That means cells are normal. But after 10 years or 20 years, these normal cells may be converted into cancer. Right. That means, what is this? Normal cell. The normal cells shows this property. Normal cells లో ఇప్పుడు క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయి. రెగ్యులేటరీ మెకానిజం ఫర్ రెగ్యులేటరీ మెకానిజం ఫర్ డివిజన్, growth, division, differentiation. Growth, division, differentiation. This is the three characters of the normal cell. Okay, normal cell yokka character, growth, division, differentiation. This is the three characters which are present in the cell, each and every cell. Right. This character is under control, under the regulation. That is called as regulatory mechanism. Right. Growth. Now suppose now it is a cell 500 microns. This 500 micron cells is undergoes division and form 2 diameter cells. Each dot containing 250 microns. Is it? Okay. 250. Right. This daughter cell is also again undergoes division. But these daughter cells cannot divide immediately. These daughter cells must grow to maximum. What is the growth? 500. And the 250 become 500. When it is reached the 500, then it is undergoes division. But more daughter cells immediately cannot divide without growth. Right. Okay. Suppose it is the sperm father, it is egg for mother. Right. Both are together form zygote. What is the level of zygote? Level cell, tissue, organ system, cell. So it is the zygote. The zygote belongs to who? Man, human beings. Right. Regulatory mechanism for growth, division, differentiation. Now, this is the 500 micron cells which is undergoes division and form 2 daughter cells, each daughter cell containing 250 microns. Right. These 2 daughter cells is undergoes division but not immediately. Right. For this division, for the second division, it is undergoes growth. That means again 250 become 500. After the reaching maximum growth, they can undergoes division. Growth to division in చూపించాలి and differentiation అంటే ఇది. Right. Now come to this. It is the sperm and egg. This is our parents, that is human being. Male, women being. Okay. The zygote is remains in 9 months in mother womb, undergoes development. In this development, the zygote is undergoes division. Division. One cell become 2, 2 cell become 4, 4 cell become 8, like division. This division with differentiation. Division with differentiation. Right, 2 cells also. Good. 2 cells of 1 cell is one property, another cell is another property. Right, they form nervous system, they form a reproductive system. Right, right. We have nervous cell, muscle cell, right, epithelial cell, blood cell, artery cell. We have different cells. All these different cells form from zygote. See again. Right? The zygote shows division and differentiation. The division, differentiation, growth. This is the key property of normal cell, which is under the control of that cell. This is a normal cell. Now that is this nucleus. Nucleus containing chromosome. Chromosome containing gene. This gene, the gene which is present on the chromosome, which regulate this gap. This gene growth, division, differentiation regulate చేస్తుంది. ఇలా ప్రతి సెల్ లో ఒక జీన్ ఉంది. ఆ జీన్ వల్ల regulatory mechanism will be maintained. Okay. Now contact regulation. Now this is the most important. Just listen. Contact regulation. Right. Now suppose it is some area. This area 100 square centimeters. Idanta 100 square centimeters. Alright. This 100 square centimeters is area. The area place of the area. This area measurable 100 square centimeters. Right. This 100 square centimeters can accommodate suppose 500 cells. ఈ ఏరియాలో ఎన్ని సెల్స్ ని మనం అకామిడేట్ చేయొచ్చు? 500 చేయొచ్చు. Just listen. Now I keep one cell. The remaining place is empty. Is it? Okay. Now this cell is showing that this 3 characters: growth, division, differentiation. Right. Divide. 2. Become 4. Become 8. 16. 32. 64. 128. Right? 256. 256 is there. Right. Up to this division is there. Right. Now 256 is there. Now this 256 is accommodated in this area. How much area? Right. And look at division area. 256 plus 256. Right. How much? 512. Manakata 500. When 500 is reached, 500 was there. One cell. Now before 500, what is the number? 256. Right. ఈ ఏరియాలో సెల్స్ ఎంత వరకు వచ్చాయి? 256 వరకు వచ్చాయి. When the cell number reaches the 256, now it is the one cell, it is another cell, it is another cell. What is the total cell? 256. When the cell number is 256, some narrow space is there between the 2 cells. Because area is more. ఇంకొకసారి డివిజన్ చేయండి. 500 వచ్చింది. Suppose 500. When it is reached the 500, one cell contact with the neighboring cell. ఒక సెల్ ఇంకొక సెల్ తో టచ్ అవుతుంది. When this area filled with optimal number of cells. Right. ఈ ఏరియా 100 square centimeters. ఈ 100 square centimeters లో maximum ఎన్ని? 500. ఇప్పుడు మనం 500 cells ని పెట్టాం. 500 cells ని arrange చేసినప్పుడు one cell is touching with another cell. Touching another contact. One cell, when one cell is contact with neighboring cell. When one cell contact with this cell, contact with neighboring cell. This cell is contact with the neighboring cell. This cell is contact with this neighboring cell. When one normal cell is contact with neighboring cell, they thought, they think, oh, there is no area. There is no area for next generation cells. This area 100 centimeters, 100 centimeters. The 100 centimeters, so how many accommodate? 500. మనం 500 accommodate చేసాం. Suppose 200 accommodate చేసాం. 250 accommodate చేసాం. 250. Now what is the number? 250. 250 when the number of cells is 250. Some space is there between two neighboring cells. That means due to the presence of narrow empty space, they are not contacting with others. Why? The space is more than their number. Okay. When number is 500, when the maximum number is there, one cell is contacting with others. When one cell is contacting with other cell, they thought, the cell think there is no area for further division. Hence, they stop the division. ఒక సెల్ తన డివిజన్ ని ఎప్పుడు స్టాప్ చేస్తుంది? ఒక సెల్ when one cell stop their division, inhibit when one cell is touch with neighboring cell, contact with the neighboring cell, right? Then they stop the division. This is the one of the property of normal cell. Contact inhibition. ఇక్కడ 99% the students mislead. Inhibition. What inhibit? Inhibition means stop. What inhibit? Division is inhibit, but not contact inhibit. What is this? Inhibition. Inhibition means stop. When a cell, what is this inhibition? What is the meaning of inhibition? Stop. What inhibit? Cell division is inhibit. Cell division stop. Yappudu contact. If cell is not contact with the neighboring cell, then undergoes division. Right. Inhibition of proliferation. When one cell contact with other cell. Right? Now the next one, metastasis. Suppose it is the neck. Now it is the forelimbs. Now it is the thoracic internal organs. Here, a normal cell is converted into cancer cell. This is uncontrolled division and forms tumor. Right. It is a division. Right. 2 become 4 like uncontrolled division. They cannot stop anyway. Even though the cell contact with the neighboring cell also. That is cancer cell. And the cancer cell contact inhibition undadu. Cancer cell regulator mechanism undadu. When normal cell converted into cancer cell, alright, regulator mechanism is absent. Contact inhibition is absent. Right. Normal cell shows the regulatory mechanism. Normal cell shows the contact inhibition. Right. But in window, cancer cells are open. Now what is this? Metastasis. Right. Now it is a cancer cell. It is a divided apple. Right. Some cells from this place, they will be escaped through blood vessels, blood to arm. Right. Kidney. Now kidney to cancer cell. Right. Now here the cancer cell is undergoes proliferation and form tumor. Okay. What is the last tumor? You తీసుకున్న ఫుడ్ జరుగుతుంది. ఎవరికి? కిడ్నీలో ఉండే సెల్స్. బట్ కిడ్నీ సెల్ తీసుకోకుండా ఇది తీసుకుంటాం. బికాస్ దిస్ ట్యూమర్ ఇస్ గ్రోత్ ఆన్ కిడ్నీ. ఇది లేకపోయింది, గ్రోత్ లేకపోయింది. రైట్. ద కిడ్నీ సెల్స్ ఏంటి? ఇట్స్ షేర్ అమౌంట్, దానికి కావలసినంత ఆక్సిజన్ ఫుడ్ పెట్టి తీసుకుంటాం. బట్ some of the tumor cells, some of the cancer cells is migrated along with the blood and reach the kidney and other organs and form secondary tumor. It is a primary tumor and secondary tumor. The process of formation of secondary tumors from primary tumor is called as metastasis. Metastasis. The normal cell does not show metastasis. Normal cells shows contact inhibition. Normal cell shows regulatory mechanism. But come to the opposite, cancer cell. Cancer cell, in the cancer cell, regulatory mechanism does not appear. In cancer cell, contact inhibition does not occur. Contact inhibition undadu. Contact inhibition failure, contact inner. One cancer cell is touched with cancer cell, neighboring cancer cell, even though right, proliferation is there. Now come to the, what is metastasis? Metastasis cancer cells lo untundi, normal cells lo untundi. Now this is the three important characters or differences between normal cell and cancer cell. Now come to this next one. Malignant tumor. Right. But it is not lethal, does not cause the death. It is only localized. It does not show the metastasis. But malignant tumor is a lethal. That means it causes the death, 100% death. Because it shows the metastasis. It forms the primary tumor is migrated to enter the body and form the secondary tumors. This is the character of malignant. Actual cancerous tumor, this is the cancerous tumor. It is a cancerous tumor. Right. This is the two important tumors. Right. This tumor does not show the metastasis. Hence, we can remove the signs. Now, causes of cancer. Carcinogen. It is very important. One more question. The substance which cause the cancer. The substance which cause the cancer. The substance which cause the allergy is called as allergen. The substance which cause the cancer is called as carcinogen. This carcinogen may be three types: physical carcinogen, chemical carcinogen, biological carcinogen. Now what is this physical carcinogen? Suppose your body is exposed with X-ray and UV rays. That UV rays and X-rays cause the cancer. అంటే ఇప్పుడు కార్సినోజన్ ఎవరు? యూవీ రేస్ కావచ్చు, ఎక్స్రే కావచ్చు. రైట్. కెమికల్, టెక్స్టైల్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్, క్లాత్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్లో వాడే కెమికల్ డైస్, alanine is the example for carcinogen. Biological, some virus but not all. Some virus when it enters in our body, this virus causes the cancer. అన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ వైరస్ is there, chemical is there, radiation. ఇప్పుడు carcinogen. If the carcinogen is a radiation, is a physical. If the carcinogen is a chemical carcinogen. If the carcinogen is a virus, biological. అంటే carcinogens how many types? 3 types. Name the 3 types: physical, chemical and carcinogen. Now this is the 3 types. Now come to the diagnosis. How can you identify the diagnosis of cancer? Cancer వచ్చిందని నువ్వు ఎలా ఏ టెస్ట్ ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తావు? Now here 4 is there. Biopsy is one type of diagnosis. Like leukemia, right? Next one, scanning, right? Use of antibodies. This is the 4 types. Now come to the Treatment of cancer. Treatment of cancer. Cancer की treatment. Surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, immunotherapy. Therapy is a treatment. Treatment, right. Treatment of cancer by radiation. Radiotherapy. Therapy, treatment of cancer by chemicals. Right. Now, like immunotherapy. Now, just wait. Now, causes of cancer. Just you listen and you see the some typed material. Right. Now, the transfer of normal cell into cancerous cell is induced or stimulated by carcinogens. Right. Now, carcinogen, that is the definition is required. Right. The substance which caused the cancer is called as carcinogen. Right. That means the carcinogen induces, that is stimulate a normal cell into cancerous cell. Right. Carcinogens are those, that is the three types: physical, chemical and biological agents, which brings about the uncontrolled proliferation of the cells. Uncontrolled proliferation of the cells. The carcinogens are following types. That is the three types: physical carcinogen, chemical carcinogen, that is a tumor virus carcinogens, which is also called as biological carcinogen. Now, physical carcinogen, example UV rays, X-rays, gamma rays. This is the three. But among these three, non-ionizing radiations like UV rays, ionizing radiations like X-ray and gamma ray. Right. According to NCERT, right. Suppose, just listen. Give the physical carcinogen example. That may be, you may give UV rays, X-rays and gamma rays. Among these three, any one is a physical carcinogen. All these are radiations. But these radiations, according to physics or chemistry, I don't know, these radiations is two types: ionizing radiations and non-ionizing radiation. Ionizing radiations under this ionizing radiation under law, X-rays, gamma rays are example for X-rays and gamma rays are example for ionizing radiations which act as carcinogen, physical carcinogen. Right. Non-ionizing radiations, that is UV rays. Right. All are radiations, no doubt. But NCERT లో ఈ రేడియేషన్స్ ని నాన్ అయోనైజింగ్ గా చూపించాడు, అయోనైజింగ్ గా చూపించాడు. రైట్. నౌ కమ్ టు ది కెమికల్ కార్సినోజన్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ aniline dyes, chemical present in tobacco smokes. This is the two examples. Dyes which are used in textile industries. Now come to the tumor virus, cancer causing viruses, oncogenic virus which have viral oncogens. This is the three types of carcinogens. Diagnosis of cancer. Right. Diagnosis means identification, test. Cancer can be detected by 1. Biopsy. 2. Blood and bone marrow test for increased cell number as in leukemia. Third one, using technique like radiography, magnetic resonance imaging, that is MRI scan, and computed tomography, CT scan for cancer for internal organs. Right. Now, first of all, what is the biopsy? Biopsy and histopathological studies of the tissue. Suppose here nearly 5 types of detections is there, 5 types of test is there. But a diagnosis is specific for specific cancer. Suppose biopsy. Right. What is biopsy? First of all, right. Now, right. A doctor or scientist take a piece of tumor. The tumor may be malignant tumor or benign tumor. That is the doubt. Hence that patient go to the diagnosis. That is, tumor is external, not internal. Suppose a tumor is formed on the neck surface. నెక్ మీద ఒక ట్యూమర్ వచ్చింది, ఎక్స్టర్నల్గా కనపడుతుంది, బట్ డౌట్ అది బినైన్ ట్యూమరా మ్యాలిగ్నెంట్ ట్యూమరా అనే డౌట్ మీద ఇప్పుడు ఆ పేషెంట్ డయాగ్నోసిస్కి వెళ్ళాడు, అంటే డిటెక్షన్ కోడ్కి వెళ్ళాడు. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ట్యూమర్ అంటే ఇఫ్ క్యాన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్, బయాప్సీ విల్ బి దేర్. అసలు బయాప్సీ అంటే ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద బయాప్సీ? రైట్, జస్ట్ లిజన్, బీ కేర్ఫుల్. రైట్, రెడీ. ఏ స్మాల్ పీస్ is taken from the tumor, right? Now the next one, the piece, a small piece which is taken from the tumor is undergoes section అంటే రైట్, మనం రూటు స్టెమ్ సెక్షన్ చేస్తాం, లైక్ స్మాల్ పీసెస్, టమాటో చిప్స్ లాగా సెక్షన్ చేస్తాం. దట్ సెక్షన్ yes is studied under microscope, right? When you see the under the microscope, the section containing the cells, the tumor is made with cells. ట్యూమర్లో పీసు, ఆ పీస్ని ఒక స్మాల్ సెక్షన్ తీసుకున్నాడు, ఆ సెక్షన్ని దట్ సెక్షన్ ఈజ్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ అండర్ ద మైక్రోస్కోప్లో చూస్తున్నాడు. మైక్రోస్కోప్లో చూస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆ సెక్షన్లో సెల్స్ is undergoing rapid division. That is histopathological. Histo means tissue which is present in section. Pathological, that section, the tissue which is present in section, which is used for disease pathology, study of disease, study for the tissue. That means first it is external. Rendovadi blood and bone marrow test for increasing cells count as in leukemia. Suppose, right. Now the second diagnosis, you see, the blood cells and bone marrow test is for increase the cells count in the leukemia. Right. Actually leukemia means blood cancer. Right. And blood is a tissue. Right. In this blood, true cells, WBC, RBC is a cell but without nucleus. Platelets is not a cell, fragment of cell. Hence, right, among the three types of cells of the blood, the true cell is called as WBC, which containing nucleus. What is the average count of WBC? 6,000 to 8,000 1 cubic millimeter. The WBC, where it is origin, all blood cells is origin from bone marrow. If the bone marrow, cells of bone marrow or cells of blood, cells of bone marrow or cells of blood, if converted into cancerous cells, right, blood lo WBC count పెరిగిపోతుంది. Instead of 6,000, it may be 6 lakhs, like that. అంటే now which cancer is detected by counting of cells ని కౌంట్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏ క్యాన్సర్ ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as లుకేమియా. ఏ సెల్స్ ని కౌంట్ చేస్తాం, అది బ్లడ్ సెల్స్ కన్నా కావచ్చు, బోన్ మ్యారో సెల్స్ కావచ్చు. నౌ సెకండ్, బయాప్సీ, విచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ cancer is detected by biopsy. Which type of cancer is detected by the biopsy? That is external tumor. Which type of cancer is detected by counting of the cells which are present in blood and bone marrow? That is leukemia. Now the third one. Use the techniques like radiography, magnetic resonance imaging, that is short form MRI scan, and computed tomography, that is CT scan, for cancers of internal organs. Due to metastasis, the formation of secondary tumor from primary tumor. Formation of secondary tumors from primary tumor. This is called as metastasis. This metastasis may be occur internal, which is not visible to eye. In this case, two important scans helps to the diagnosis of internal cancer, internal organ. That is MRI scan and CT scan. Use antibodies against the cancer specific antigens for certain type of cancer. Which one ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం? యాంటీబాడీని యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. యాంటీబాడీని యూజ్ చేసి సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఎ క్యాన్సర్ ఈజ్ కాజ్డ్ బై బయలాజికల్ వైరస్ వల్ల వచ్చింది. If the virus is enter in our body, the immunity system produce antibody. First of all, this virus which cause the cancer, first of all, be careful, జాగ్రత్త వినండి. క్యాన్సర్ని కాజ్ చేసే వైరస్ని సపోజ్ ఒక హై రెసిస్టెంట్ ఎనిమల్ హార్స్కి ఎక్కించాం. అంటే రైట్, ద వైరస్ ఈజ్ అ ఫారిన్. The horse is also vertebrate like man. Okay. The immunity system of horse stimulated and responds and produce antibody against that virus. Now the scientist collected antibodies which are developed in horse due to entry of cancer causing virus. ఇప్పుడు సైంటిస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే హార్స్లో డెవలప్ అయిన యాంటీబాడీస్ ఎలా డెవలప్ అయినాయి? క్యాన్సర్ని కాజ్ చేసే వైరస్ వెళ్ళడం వల్ల యాంటీబాడీస్ డెవలప్ అయినాయి. దేంట్లో? హార్స్లో. ఆ యాంటీబాడీస్ని కలెక్టెడ్ అండ్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్డ్ ఇన్ క్యాన్సర్ పేషెంట్. ఇఫ్ దట్ పేషెంట్ హూ ఆర్ సఫరింగ్ విత్ క్యాన్సర్ ఒకవేళ వైరస్ వల్ల వచ్చింటే ద వైరస్ ఈజ్ యాక్ట్ యాజ్ యాంటీజన్. ఇక్కడ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసింది యాంటీబాడీ. దిస్ యాంటీబాడీ బైండ్ టు రియాక్షన్ విత్ యాంటీజన్. విచ్ యాంటీజన్? వైరస్. రైట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ది antibodies is also helps to detection of cancer. Which cancer? Biological cancers. Right. Now the next one. Applying the principles of molecular biology to detect the genes in individual with inherited susceptible to certain cancer. Konni cancers ni, right. Applying the principles of molecular biology. ఓకే, ఇది మీకు జెనెటిక్స్ చెప్తే అర్థమవుతుంది. బట్ ఒక ట్రై మై లెవెల్ టెస్ట్. మాలిక్యులర్ బయాలజీ, డిఎన్ఏ అండ్ ఆర్ఎన్ఏ, దేస్ ఆర్ ద మాలిక్యూల్స్. రైట్. ద మాలిక్యులర్ బయాలజీ వల్ల కూడా కొన్ని క్యాన్సర్స్, అన్ని క్యాన్సర్ కాదు, సర్టన్ క్యాన్సర్స్ విల్ బి డిటెక్టెడ్. దిస్ కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ లేటర్. నౌ కమ్ టు ది ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ క్యాన్సర్. The treatment is here four types. Surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, immunotherapy. Surgery, right. If tumor is external on the surface of the body, simply they can remove by surgically removed. Right. But surgery, yes, it is give the relief temporary to the patient. Right. The damage will be reduces, but not permanent. Cure is not there in the surgery. Right. See, the surgery. The tumor cells are surgically removed to reduce the load of cancer. Surgery చేయడం వల్ల ఏదో టెంపరీ ట్రీట్మెంట్ చిక్కుతుంది కానీ పర్మనెంట్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ చిక్కదు. ఎందుకంటే మెటాస్టాసిస్ వల్ల ఆల్రెడీ ఇంటర్నల్ కూడా వచ్చేసింది. నౌ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్, రేడియోథెరపీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ ట్రీట్మెంట్. రేడియోథెరపీ treatment. The treatment of cancer by the radiations is called as radiotherapy. The tumor cells are irradiated lethally whole, but the taking care to the surrounding cells, surrounding normal cell. Suppose UV rays or X-rays, UV rays and X-rays, right? These two rays is exposed to the cancer cell. Tumor mida, tumor paina, on the tumor, on the cancerous tumor, right? The doctor expose the UV rays and or UV rays or X-rays. Due to this, the cancerous cells will be damaged, death. A radiation high intensity radiation ni a cancerous cells తట్టుకోలేక చనిపోతాయి. But it is highly skilled, very too much care is essential. Unfortunately, that during the treatment of radiotherapy, if X-rays and gamma rays or UV rays, if it is exposed to the surrounding normal cell, right? కరెక్ట్గా ఈ ఎక్స్రేస్ని యూవీ రేస్ని క్యాన్సరస్ సెల్స్ పైకి పంపించాల. ఒకవేళ ఎక్స్రే సెల్స్ క్యాన్సరస్ సెల్స్ కాకుండా పక్కలో ఉన్న నార్మల్ సెల్కు పంపిస్తే ద నార్మల్ సెల్ బికమ్ క్యాన్సర్. కనుక ద రేడియేషన్ ఈజ్ యూస్ఫుల్ ఇన్ 2 ways. క్యాన్సర్ కాజింగ్ కార్సినోజన్గా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది, క్యాన్సర్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ట్రీట్మెంట్ కూడా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద రేడియేషన్ ఈజ్ డ్యూయల్ ఫంక్షన్, అంటగోనిస్టిక్, ఆపోజిట్గా పనిచేస్తుంది. రేడియేషన్ వల్ల క్యాన్సర్ వస్తుంది, క్యాన్సర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు రేడియేషన్ వల్ల కూడా ట్రీట్మెంట్ జరుగుతుంది. రైట్, నౌ కమ్ టు ది chemotherapy. Right, chemotherapy means some drugs, some chemicals which are used to kill the cancerous cells. But majority of these drugs have side effects like hair loss and anemia. It is most important. In which treatment of cancer side effects will be there? Only chemotherapy. What is the chemotherapy? Right, the treatment of cancer with the help of some drugs. డ్రగ్స్ ఇవ్వడం వల్ల, సమ్ కెమికల్స్ బాడీ లోపలికి పంపడం వల్ల ఆ క్యాన్సరస్ సెల్స్ డెడ్ అవుతాయి. బట్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఈస్ దేర్, బట్ సమ్ సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్, hair loss, anemia. The next one, immunotherapy. It involves the use of biological response modification like alpha interferons, which activate the immunity system and helps in destroying the tumor. Right, interferons. మనము ఇమ్యూనిటీ సిస్టంలో ఫస్ట్ చదివాం, గుర్తుందో లేదో. ద ఇమ్యూనిటీ సిస్టమ్ ఈజ్ క్లాసిఫైడ్ ఇంటూ 2 types. Sorry. Immunity is 2 types. Right, innate immunity, active immunity. Innate immunity is having 4 types of barriers. Right, physical, physiological, cellular, cytokine. Viral infected cells produce a protein. The protein is called as interferon, which form a coat, a layer around the neighboring non-infected cell. This protein which give the protection to the normal neighboring cells from virus. This is called as interferons. The interferon is a protein substance which belongs to which system? Interferon అనే ప్రోటీన్ మనం ఏ సిస్టంలో చదువుతాం? డైజెస్టివ్ సిస్టమా, రిప్రొడక్టివ్ సిస్టమా? రెండూ కాదు, ఇమ్యూనిటీ సిస్టంలో చదువుతాం. కనుక దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as immunotherapy. Right, the treatment of cancer by interferons. ఇంటర్ఫెరాన్స్ ద్వారా కూడా క్యాన్సర్ని ట్రీట్మెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. అది ఇప్పుడు ఏ టైప్? Right, immunotherapy. This is about 4 types of treatments. Okay.